Topic: Expertise of fish and bee products. Lection 15. Fish are aquatic, craniate, gill-bearing animals that lack limbs with digits. Included in this definition are the living hagfish, lampreys, and cartilaginous and bony fish, as well as various extinct related groups. Around 99% of living fish species are ray-finned fish, belonging to the class Actinopterygii, with over 95% belonging to the teleost subgrouping. The earliest organisms that can be classified as fish were soft-bodied chordates that first appeared during the Cambrian period. Although they lacked a true spine, they possessed notochords which allowed them to be more agile than their invertebrate counterparts. Fish would continue to evolve through the Paleozoic era, diversifying into a wide variety of forms. Many fish of the Paleozoic developed external armor that protected them from predators. The first fish with jaws appeared in the Silurian period, after which many, such as sharks, became formidable marine predators rather than just the prey of arthropods. Most fish are ectothermic, cold-blooded, allowing their body temperatures to vary as ambient temperatures change, though some of the large active swimmers like white shark and tuna can hold a higher core temperature. Fish can acoustically communicate with each other, most often in the context of feeding, aggression or courtship. Fish are abundant in most bodies of water. They can be found in nearly all aquatic environments, from high mountain streams, e.g., char and gudgeon, to the abyssal and even hadal depths of the deepest oceans, e.g., cusk eels and snailfish, although no species has yet been documented in the deepest 25% of the ocean. With 34,300 described species, fish exhibit greater species diversity than any other group of vertebrates. Fish are an important resource for humans worldwide, especially as food. Commercial and subsistence fishers hunt fish in wild fisheries or farm them in ponds or in cages in the ocean, in aquaculture. They are also caught by recreational fishers, kept as pets, raised by fishkeepers, and exhibited in public aquaria. Fish have had a role in culture through the ages, serving as deities, religious symbols, and as the subjects of art, books and movies. Tetrapods emerged within lobe-finned fishes, so cladistically they are fish as well. However, traditionally fish are rendered paraphyletic by excluding the tetrapods, i.e., the amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals, which all descended from within the same ancestry. Because in this manner the term fish is defined negatively as a paraphyletic group, it is not considered a formal taxonomic grouping in systematic biology, unless it is used in the cladistic sense, including tetrapods. 6, 7. The traditional term Pisces, also ichthyes, is considered a typological, but not a phylogenetic classification. What is the nutritional composition of fish? Fish is filled with omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins such as D and B2, riboflavin. Fish is rich in calcium and phosphorus and a great source of minerals, such as iron, zinc, iodine, magnesium, and potassium. The American Heart Association recommends eating fish at least 2 times per week as part of a healthy diet. What are the factors affecting the composition of fish? The composition of a particular species often appears to vary from one fishing ground to another, and from season to season, but the basic causes of change in composition are usually variation in the amount and quality of food that the fish eats and the amount of movement it makes. Proximate composition. The four major constituents in the edible portion of fish are water, protein, lipid, fat or oil, and ash, minerals. The analysis of these four basic constituents of fish muscle is often referred to as proximate analysis. What is the most abundant constituent of fish muscle? About 50 to 60% of fish weight is constituted by muscle, with proteins being the main constituents, 16–21%, followed by lipids, 0.5 to 2.3%, ash, 1.2 to 1.5%, and water, 52–82%. Carbohydrate content is low, around 0.5%. Does fish drink water? Fish do absorb water through their skin and gills in a process called osmosis. As well as getting water through osmosis, saltwater fish need to purposefully drink water in order to get enough into their systems. Honey, not just a food of bees. Honey is a universal protection. Its mechanisms are simple but very effective. Different combination and interaction of carbohydrates and enzymes. Carbohydrates defend from cold and hunger. Calorie honey 400 kilocalories in 100 grams. Inside the healthy hive there is almost perfect sterility. Important role in maintaining of cleanliness in the hive belongs to the valuable and unique product of bees, propolis. Due to its antibacterial properties, the propolis protects the bees from the surrounding hazards, germs, bacteria, fungi, and even mice and butterflies. Polishing cell combs, designed for future brood, bees prevent the onset of disease. Fragrant and pleasant by the taste, propolis is still a mystery even to the most experienced researchers. The chemical composition of this substance is very complex and depends on the type of plant from which it is collected. It has about 284 different compounds, but only 111 of them were identified. It is known that propolis contains resin acids and alcohols, artapilin, phenols, tannins, balms, cinnamic alcohol, cinnamic acid, beeswax, essential oils, flavonoids, amino acids, small amount of vitamin B according to World Beekeeping Classification. There are 3 types of this bee product, also called bee glue: Brazilian, European and propolis of northern Russia. Northern propolis has special qualities. Bees collect resins and adhesives from relic trees, pine, birch and poplar, left over from the time of the Great Ice Age. All the benefits of propolis are impossible to list. The most important quality: the ability to purify and regenerate cells, restoring their work to rid the body of free radicals and hyperoxides. Due to these properties, propolis inhibits aging, increasing the capacity of the body and increasing life expectancy. And no coincidence that scientists call propolis the antioxidant bomb. Studies have shown that regular use of this product does indeed lead to rejuvenate. Thank you for your attention.